Answer for question number 1 will be option number 4, which says antigen display via MHC2 from PAPC. Answer for question number 2 will be IL-1 and TNF family. Answer for question number 3. The professional antigen presenting cells are: number 1 is B lymphocyte, number 2 macrophage, and number 3 dendritic cell. Next.